What up, YouTube? Daniel 4619 here. 2019 and 2010 retail. Upper Deck Series 1. So, a lot of good podcasts going around. Tomcat, Matt, Carlos, and Insert Revolution. Last but not least, that was a good episode last night. Really enjoyed it. After I make this video, I'm gonna go watch the beginning of it because I missed the first like half hour. So let's see here. Young Guns. Nygaard, Oilers left wing. That's pretty cool. So, yeah, I got some hockey cards coming, some real nice ones. They should be coming next week, and what is it? Got some rookies, and I was thinking about getting one, like a big stick card of the hockey stick. I'm into memorabilia, so they got some good memorabilia in hockey. But yeah, I'm slowly getting into it. But they actually got, I think I mentioned that before, they got 3 NHL hockey rinks around me. I mean 2 of them. So, let's see. There's a canvas, Morgan Riley. I think where I'm at is not real good on the. That was my stuff boiling. Let me get this. Knock that out of the way. There was somebody that bought they bought a McDavid. It had a piece of the stick, the skate, and a patch. Patch, skate, and stick, numbered to 10. Young Guns for bro. And they ended up bought it for like $180, and then put it right back on eBay for sale for $379. Like crazy stuff. Like, I don't know. We'll see. See what happens. A flurry. Portraits. McDowell. Lightning. Lightning. Let's see. This is the O-Pee-Chee pack or something. O-Pee-Chee Glossy Special Pack. It's different than the rest. So. Fabro. Trent. Frederick. Glossy O-Pee-Chee. And rookie. Oh, all of them are rookies. This is it's Texturia. Or Texer. So, center for the Blue Jackets. Young Guns. John Foote. John Foote. Defense for the Kings. Last pack. Ooh, I was just thinking, man, I'd like to have a Young Guns canvas. Frederick. Center. That's a good one. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. Trent. He is a center. For the Bruins. Yeah. So cool. A Young Guns canvas. Man. That's exactly what I was looking for. Last pack. Cool. Alrighty. Well, that'll be it. And we got some real neat hockey cards to show next time.